Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can connect Shopify to N8n. So let's get started. First, open N8n and go to Personal. From there, click Create Workflow or select Add First Step. In the search bar, type Shopify and select it. Next, click on Create New Credential. Here, you'll need to enter your shop subdomain, access token, and app secret. To get these, open your Shopify store and navigate to Apps and Sales Channels. Then, click Develop Apps and choose Create App. Enter a name for your app, for example, My App, and click Create. After that, generate an API token. Once the token is generated, you'll be able to see your API key, shop domain, and access token. Copy these details and paste them into the Credentials section in N8n. And that's it. You've successfully connected Shopify with N8n. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.